Starting an irrigation business can be a rewarding endeavor, both personally and financially. Water conservation is crucial for our world, and professional irrigation helps ensure that plants, lawns, and crops receive the right amount of water. Let's walk you through the steps to establish your own irrigation business. But before we get started, please give this video a like, press the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay in the loop about crucial information that can benefit your business. Step 1. Research the irrigation industry. Understand the latest trends, technologies, and solutions. Did you know that according to a study, the global irrigation market size is expected to grow significantly in the next decade? This growth is driven by factors like water scarcity and the rising demand for food production. Step 2. Define your niche. Are you looking to specialize in residential lawn irrigation, agricultural field systems, or commercial properties? Your choice will determine your equipment needs, pricing structures, and client outreach methods. Step 3. Obtain the necessary licenses and permits. Our organization can work with your local and state government to determine which specific licenses, certifications, or permits you might need. Some areas may also require you to have a background in landscape architecture or a similar field. Step 4. Create a detailed business plan. It's important to know your startup costs, operational expenses, expected income, marketing strategy, and projected growth. According to the Small Business Administration, businesses with a plan have a 25% greater chance of success compared to those without. Step 5. Secure financing. Depending on the scale of your operation, you might need to obtain a loan, tap into savings, or seek investors. The average initial cost for a small-scale irrigation business can range from $20,000 to $50,000. Step 6. Purchase equipment and inventory. Based on your niche, you might need drip systems, sprinkler systems, timers, valves, or even larger agricultural equipment. Remember, investing in quality equipment upfront can reduce maintenance costs and enhance customer satisfaction. Step 7. Develop your brand. Design a memorable logo, establish an online presence through a website and social media, and consider investing in branded work uniforms. An online presence is particularly important. A recent survey found that over 80% of consumers do online research before choosing a local service. Step 8. Hire and train employees. If you're not planning to operate solo, ensure that your employees are knowledgeable, courteous, and understand the intricacies of irrigation systems. Step 9. Launch a marketing campaign. Engage in local advertising, attend trade shows, offer introductory discounts, and encourage word of mouth. Interestingly, businesses that allocate 6 to 10% of their revenue towards marketing tend to grow faster. Step 10. Focus on customer service. A satisfied customer is likely to recommend your services to others. In fact, word of mouth is still considered one of the most effective marketing strategies, with 74% of consumers identifying it as a key influencer in their purchasing decisions. And there you have it. If you want to learn more about how to start an irrigation business, please visit legalregistration.com, or you can call our business formation team right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the steps in this video? Is there a certain one that seems complicated? Comment below and let us know what you think. Please don't forget to like the video, hit subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you can keep up with important business registration information.